This time, I would like to introduce Mr. Nakamura's picture book, The Basics of Production Management. By this picture, I will introduce the contents of measures and improvements from the perspective of JIT-SCM in production management, which delivers products made in factories smoothly, efficiently, and to customers and markets in a timely manner. This time, as in the previous series, the head of a fictional company A presents a problem to a 3-person project team, and the process of them investigating and considering various things to find an effective method to implement it in their own factory is depicted in a picture book. At this time, I have summarized the basics of production management. I hope that the practical contents introduced in this picture book will be useful to readers. This time, from the comprehensive summary of production management and the basic aspects of its work, I would like to explain only the important points about the work done by the production management department, and about production management and process management, as shown in this figure. As you all already know, the basis of the system known as production management was created 125 years ago by Mr. F. W. Taylor, known as the master of E-methods. This figure shows the system, which is still used by many companies today. Production planning creates the best possible content by making full use of people, materials, equipment, and technology that are free of waste at that time. In this sense, it is comparable to budgeting in terms of production management. Nowadays, production management is greatly assisted by IT. This figure shows the situation. It is important to note that each company has its own unique manufacturing methods and management, not to mention the products they manufacture. This is a very obvious requirement. However, in the industrial world, there have been cases where companies have ignored the obvious fact that production management is unique to each company and tried to imitate methods that have become popular in the industrial world, such as JIT, and failed. This is a form of abandoning business management, which is production management, but in addition to the lean production method shown in this figure, this picture book introduces many other examples of failed introductions, so please see the picture book for details. Production management is unique to each company, but when the results are shown as cash flow on the balance sheet, any company can view it as current assets, as shown in this diagram. In this sense, the contents that make up production management are unique to each company, but we can see that this job is cash flow management. The picture book gives examples of how Toyota successfully utilized this approach to get out of the red and achieve a recovery, as well as JIT development, so please take a look. As shown in this figure, the work and characteristics of production management are to coordinate many processes and departments, and deliver products to customers on time with a customer-oriented approach. If waste occurs here, confusion and waste will occur everywhere. Therefore, we have compiled practical information on how everyone working in this department should think about their work, increase the productivity of the factory, and contribute to creating a first-class company with dreams. Those who have experience in production management work will solve many departments and problems as the plant manager and also handle cash flow. As a result, the structure shown in this figure will be created, and at the same time, the factory will develop and people who will work in production management will be trained, so please refer to these examples on this picture book. Thank you very much for watching the introduction to this picture book. You can get this picture book at this URL. Amazon Prime members can view it for free.